lovelies, welcome to my channel. So for today I've got a simple detangling routine. I'm going to start by spritzing water all over the hair, and then I'm going to pat the hair in 4 sections. I'm going to put the conditioner in this one section and make sure there's loads of conditioner in there. See the description bar for the link to get the conditioner. Spritz water, loads of water all over the hair. It's really key to do this this method on a soaking wet hair. So I start by patting it section by section and putting my fingers through, trying to take out the mate and the knots from the hair. So it's pretty thick hair, so I'm going to start by doing it section by section. So as you can see, I try to remove the knots and the snags by starting at the bottom and just gently removing it. And then if it's easy, I try to put my fingers through. Try to put my fingers through and stop and try to remove every knot from the bottom and run my fingers through like so. So I'm starting here by trying to remove the knots and any mate from the bottom. With this method, you're going to shed a bit of hair, but not as much as you dragging the comb through. There's going to be less breakage using this method. So I stop like so, and I just remove the knots. I try not to drag in when my fingers can't go through. I really stop and I try to do it very gently. So I start by removing the knots from the bottom, and I try to put my fingers through like so. Try to detangle the whole hair. The key for this method is using lots of water and conditioner. So I finished this section, guys. You really need patience for this method. You can't rush through this, so you need to kind of pencil some time to kind of detangle as part of your wash routine. So I'm putting this into a twist. So I'm going to start the other part of the hair, the other section by section. I'm going to put loads of water in, conditioner, and just detangle section by section. So I'm just detangling this section now. You don't want to use comb, guys. No. You're just going to break the hair and just take out it. You're going to have more shedding when you use the comb. When you finish detangling the hair, you can use the comb. When your hair is fully detangled with your fingers, then you can use the comb. You have less shedding. So I'm going to complete the rest of the hair and wash the hair. And yeah, this is how to detangle, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.